Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. Removing restriction allows someone to interact with your profile freely again, making it easy to reconnect. So, let's get started on how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, find the restricted option. Once you find it, tap on it. You will now see a list of users you have restricted. Find the person you want to unrestrict. Once you have found it, tap on the Unrestrict button next to the user's name to remove the restriction. And this is how you can unrestrict someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.